Want fresh, crunchy veggies right from your kitchen? You bet you do. Imagine having a constant supply of nutritious greens without ever stepping out of your home. And guess what? It's easier than you think and cheaper than a trip to the store. No more long lines or hefty grocery bills. We're talking about growing sprouts. These little fellas are packed with flavor and good-for-you stuff. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a superfood you can grow at home. Plus, they cost just pennies a day to grow. Imagine saving money while eating healthier. It's a win-win. You don't need a fancy garden or a green thumb. Sprouting is simple and requires minimal effort. It's the perfect way to add some green to your plate, no matter where you live. Sprouts can be added to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and more. Apartment dwellers, this one's for you too. Even if you have limited space, you can still enjoy the benefits of homegrown sprouts. Let's get sproutin'. All you need is a sunny windowsill, a jar, some seeds, and a little love. First, let's pick out our sproutin' seeds. This is where the journey begins, and it's an exciting one. Imagine the possibilities as you look at all those tiny seeds, each one holding the potential to grow into something nutritious and delicious. There are all sorts of tasty options. From the mild and versatile to the bold and crunchy, the world of sprouting seeds is vast and varied. Each type of seed brings its own unique flavor and texture to the table, making your meals more interesting and nutritious. Alfalfa sprouts are mild and perfect for beginners. They're easy to grow and have a subtle taste that won't overpower your dishes. If you're new to sprouting, alfalfa is a great place to start. They're like the chameleons of the sprout world, blending into anything. Whether you're adding them to a salad, a sandwich, or even a smoothie, alfalfa sprouts will fit right in, adding a touch of freshness without stealing the spotlight. Broccoli sprouts are little nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins. These tiny sprouts are bursting with nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as sulforaphane, a compound known for its health benefits. Mung bean sprouts are a classic, adding a satisfying crunch to stir-fries and salads. Their crisp texture and slightly nutty flavor make them a favorite in many Asian dishes, but they can be used in a variety of cuisines. You can find sproutin' seeds online or at your local health food store. There are many reputable sources where you can purchase high-quality seeds, ensuring that you get the best results from your sprouting efforts. Don't be afraid to try different kinds and see what tickles your fancy. The world of sprouting is all about experimentation and discovery. You might find that you love the peppery kick of radish sprouts or the sweet taste of pea shoots. Experimenting is part of the fun. Growing your own sprouts allows you to explore new flavors and textures, and it's a great way to add variety to your diet. So go ahead, mix and match different seeds, and enjoy the process of discovering your favorite sproutin' partners. Now let's talk about where our little seeds will grow. A simple mason jar is all you need. These trusty jars are like the cast iron skillets of the sproutin' world, reliable and always there for you. You'll also need a sproutin' lid or some mesh fabric and a rubber band. The lid or mesh helps drain the water and lets the sprouts breathe. No need for fancy equipment, folks. We're keeping it simple and affordable. That's what sproutin' is all about. All right, let's give those seeds a good soak. Measure out a couple of tablespoons of seeds and put them in your mason jar. Fill the jar with cool water, making sure the seeds are covered. Then, put on your sproutin' lid or secure the mesh with a rubber band. This soak is like a nice, long bath for the seeds. It helps them wake up and get ready to grow. Let them soak for about 8 hours or overnight. After their soak, it's time to give those seeds a good rinse. Hold the jar over the sink and pour out the water through the lid or mesh. Then, fill the jar with fresh water, swish it around, and drain again. We're going to do this rinsing and draining routine twice a day, every day. It keeps the seeds moist and prevents any unwanted bacteria from growing. Think of it like giving your sprouts a little shower. Now comes the fun part, watching those little seeds transform into beautiful sprouts. Find a spot out of direct sunlight and lay your jar on its side. This helps the sprouts grow evenly. You'll start to see little tails sprouting within a day or two. How exciting! Each day, as you rinse your sprouts, you'll notice them getting longer and greener. It's like magic, but instead of a wand, we're using water and sunshine. In about 3 to 5 days, your sprouts will be ready to eat. You'll know they're done when they've got long white tails and vibrant green leaves. Give them one last rinse and drain, then store them in a container in the fridge. These little guys are packed with nutrients. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that are great for your digestion and overall health. Plus, they add a delightful crunch to any meal. Now that you've got a jar full of fresh sprouts, let's talk about how to use them. The possibilities are endless. Sprinkle them on salads for extra crunch and nutrition. Add them to sandwiches for a fresh, earthy flavor. Toss them into stir-fries for a nutritious boost. You can even add sprouts to smoothies, soups, and wraps. Get creative and have fun with it. There's no wrong way to enjoy the fresh, delicious flavor of homegrown sprouts. Growing your own food is a rewarding experience. It connects you to the earth and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, it's a great way to get kids excited about healthy eating. Imagine their faces when they see those little seeds transform into something they can actually eat. Sproutin is a fun, educational, and delicious activity for the whole family. It's a great way to bring a little bit of nature indoors, no matter where you live. Now, let's talk about the best part, the price. When it comes to sprouting, the initial investment is minimal. You just need a bag of seeds, a jar, and some water. That's it. Growing your own sprouts costs just pennies a day. Imagine having a fresh supply of nutritious sprouts at your fingertips without breaking the bank. A bag of Sproutin seeds can last you for months, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh greens. You don't need to buy new seeds every week, and you're only using a tiny bit of water. Just a few rinses a day, and your seeds will sprout into delicious, crunchy greens. Compare that to the price of store-bought sprouts, which can be quite expensive. Not to mention, store-bought sprouts often come in plastic containers, adding to waste. When you grow your own, you not only save money, but also reduce your environmental footprint. The savings add up quickly, and you'll feel good about your choices. Sproutin is a budget-friendly way to enjoy fresh, healthy food all year round. Whether it's a salad, a sandwich, or a smoothie, sprouts can enhance any meal. It's a great option for families, students, or anyone looking to save money without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Even if you have limited space, like a dorm room or a small apartment, you can still grow your own sprouts. So why not give it a try? Start sprouting today and enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown sprouts. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Sproutin is easy, affordable, and incredibly rewarding. It's a simple way to add fresh, nutritious food to your diet and enjoy the satisfaction of growing something yourself. So grab some seeds, a mason jar, and get sproutin'. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Happy sproutin'!